Hey everyone, welcome back to my workbench. Whew, it's been a busy day. Okay, so just wanted to give everyone an update on the 5200 controller builds. So I've got stacks. I got 6 of them here. That's the overlay. I got more than those. I got 6. Ooh, get up there, little boys. 6, 7. I got 8 cut already of those. I've got this dual classic. Dual classic for some got me a little bit. So what happened was I went to do the cutting on the CNC. I've had a couple times where it did this to me. What happens is this is ABS, and what can happen with ABS, it'll actually melt and stick to the end mill and cause all this sorts of ugh. So I end up with basically trash. Great. So that sucks. But that being said, some aren't so bad, so you do rework on it. I have a rework unit down here somewhere. Can't really tell once the overlay is on it. There's the rework. I got a rework here somewhere. There's the rework. It's on the bottom. Another way to know it's a rework is I mark it, and there's actually a little bit of damage underneath here, but you don't see it because everything gets covered up. So yeah, I'm going through a batch of these, so we got a few more of these to cut tonight. Well, I got to finish cutting the second half of this. This dual actually takes like an hour and 10 minutes just on the CNC. It takes a while to cut some of these. So I went through and I drilled out, you drilled out the holes, these holes here for the overlay holder. Those are going to go on shortly. And in the meantime, I can throw some buttons on. I have bags full of buttons here. So yeah. Wow. There's a lot of orders. A little overwhelmed, to be honest with you, but they're coming along, so I'll be able to get out. That's the funny thing is, like, I'll get nothing out until I get a lot out. So once I get one done, there'll be a bunch done at once. So everyone, thank you for your patience, because I'm just trying to plow through these and get all the. I have a big batch of Atari 5200s, then I have a smaller batch, I think 7 Intellivision controllers, which are actually easier than the Atari controllers to build up. And then a couple more 5200s after that, but those are actually pretty recent orders, so I think I'm going to be ending the summer sale. It's just, I've got too many orders in the queue right now, and I kind of have to cut it off somewhere. So, yeah, I'm going to get back to work. I'm going to start cutting another. I got to cut some more of the silver overlays in a second. Finish the other half of that dual stick, and then I need to. I think I've got 2 more. Oh, what do I got left here? I mean, this is the stack of orders here. So, Robert, thank you for your patience here in North Carolina. And John, he's got a bunch coming to Arkansas. He's got the dual analogs, and I've got Chris in Wisconsin, Jimmy in Kentucky, and Joe in Colorado, and then Jeff in Philadelphia. And I think I've got a couple more I don't have printed out here. Those came in the last couple days. I haven't printed them. So this batch is taken care of. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's the 9. I want to 9. The overlays I want to get done in this batch. The 9 overlays, and then the 2 classics, dual classics. So that's what I'm trying to plow through. So when they start going out, they're all going to go out pretty fast and furious, because they'll all be done around the same time, which is good. Put all my orders back. try to keep it all organized. So yeah. Once they start flowing, there's gonna be a lot flowing. Today is Tuesday after Labor Day. I'm thinking of all the pre-building done later tonight. Oh, I gotta cut one more of these and a couple more silver strips. Talking to myself now. Get those done. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I need to cut another one. Need to finish cutting that one. Got some more silver strips to the front of it. Finish working on these. And then I actually have to get to building the joysticks themselves, which can be... They're not... I mean, I've built enough of them now. They're not like crazy time consuming, but they do take time. Make sure I have enough overlays for all these. I don't think I need to print anything right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Okay, so I'm going to have to build up a new, print out a new batch of overlay holders before I get to the next batch, which is fine. And then I got enough knobs. I might print some of those lines there, but okay. Again, talking to myself some more here. So yeah, building. So once it starts flowing, it's going to flow fast. So everyone, I'm sorry for the people earliest on the list. I wanted to get the Intellivision stuff going, and then now I'm getting all the Atari stuff out. And then it's back to Intellivision and a couple more Ataris, and then we're good to go. And then I should be caught up. So my goal is to get these 9, 10, 11 controllers out pretty quickly. Then they'll switch back to Intellivision. So once they start flowing, I'll probably get all 11 of them shipped in like bam, one after each other. Because once I get all these sub-assemblies built, it's just the final assembly actually doesn't take terribly long. It's just getting all the sub-assemblies built up. So, all right, I'm gonna get back to work and stop wasting time here. So yeah, everyone, thank you for your patience, and Robert, sorry you've been waiting so darn long for this controller. You're gonna be the first one shipped, and then John's will be right after that. So hopefully the next couple days I'll be getting a bunch of controllers out for everyone. And it was a good weekend. So everyone, thank you for your patience, and back to building.